everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and I'm very excited to share exciting news with you all that SN with its newly launched project, that is SNN. This project is located in the heart of South Bangalore, and in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connect you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 4.8 acres of land parcel, featuring with 120 plus units in this project, and with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, and this project is offering you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residency. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located in Bominahalli Road in BTM layout in South Bangalore. Now coming to the further location and connectivity of the project, this is a prime location of Bangalore. You have seamless connectivity of Bannerghatta Road, HSR layout, Electronic City, Begur, Hosur and many more. Even this project is close to top school, hospital and malls. Now coming to amenities part, so when it comes to SSN Raj, it comes with luxurious amenities offering you with grand clubhouse of 12,000 square feet, state-of-art gym and yoga area, sports court, jogging track, garden and many more. Now about the super built up area, so this project offers you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK ultra luxurious premium residencies. So 3 BHK over here is starting from 2,500 square feet, 4 BHK is 3,500 square feet and 5 BHK starting from 4,500 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, so the project EOI window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. Along with the project 3D model, we'll share the payment and pricing scheme, we'll show you the model flight once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of SSN Raj located in Bominahalli, South Bangalore, a project by SNN Raj Corp.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.